Hey guys, how y'all doing? This morning when I come outside, my wife's Suburban, the tire was completely flat. So I want to show y'all a couple things that I always try to carry in all our vehicles. I got a 12-volt tire inflator and a tire plug kit. This kit has what you need to plug your tire and get back on the road. And I found a screw in a tire right here. So I've already been inflating the tire. I mean, it was completely down. Right now, it's about 15 pounds. I'm gonna go ahead and inflate it up to full pressure, and then I'm gonna put a plug in it. I'll show you how to do that. Well, we're up to 30 pounds. These small 12-volt inflators, they're not the best thing in the world, but you know, they'll get you out of a pinch, at least get you back on the road where you get to where you get to a service station, or get somewhere where you can use a real air compressor and get some air in your tire. Excuse me. So I forgot to mention earlier, it's always best to turn your vehicle on before you use one of the inflators like this, because it'll drain your battery down. Let me get it turned off. Get the tire patch. There's a screw right there. And these kits, you got a reamer. You want to stick it in there, and you want to roughen up the surface of the hole before you patch it. And this is that's what you insert the plug with. These are the plugs. I'm gonna go ahead and get a plug loaded up in there. Pull it about halfway through. They're kind of sticky. I've been getting a lot of rain. It's raining right now. I'm gonna try to keep everything from getting too wet. I'm gonna put this back in the box and kind of close the lid for the moment. I'm gonna get that screw pulled out. Alright, I'll water this in there and get it cleaned out. And I'll pull it out this time. I'll get the plug stuck in it. I'm going to push it in about that far. I don't know if how well you can see it. There, you can see a little better what I got. That should do it. I'm going to cut off the excess and we should be good to go. Alright, I'm going to do a little leak test. A little bit of saliva. I know it's kind of gross, but I don't see any bubbles, so we're good. Thanks for watching.